much to explore. It's just about kind of taking nice photos. Lovely alleyways as well. And the entrance to the garden. Let's come in. Very enchanted and whimsical. Draping plants, draping leaves. It's detailed in the ground as well. Absolutely stunning. And these arches, the side gate. I guess I could have come from the other side as well. And then the main courtyard of the church. Some other people there enjoying the site, enjoying the space actually. And the site, I guess. You get that small water feature over there. And I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to take some photos. It's just absolutely love this spot for taking photos. It's gorgeous. This kind of gives you that kind of tropical vibe, but it's not tropical. It's literally the middle of London, middle of the, not the financial district, but you know, very central. So love it. This place honestly feels so tropical. Absolutely love it. So I'm done, and this place, if you want to know the name of it, is called St. Dunstan in the East, and it's a really beautiful church backyard, like a garden. It's like a courtyard almost because of all the separation to it. And yeah, it's been a really beautiful afternoon, really sunny but not too hot. And I just want to thank my mum for lending me her tripod, because the last one that I had, which I still have actually, it's broken. So yeah, I'm on the lookout for a new tripod, but meanwhile I'll just use hers. Yeah, I'm really loving my city today, London. I had to fall back in love with it, especially, you know, being here right now. I'm trying to fall back in love with it, but it's a great city, plenty to see, plenty to do. And this is St. Dunstan. The closest tube station is Monument, and it's just like 5-minute walk away. It's church ruins, as you can see. It's been a really beautiful day here, really sunny but not too hot. And I don't think the church is open anymore. I have to clarify that, but it's now a public church garden where people, you know, enjoy the space and take a lot of photos. There have been loads of people doing photo shoots here today, including myself. And yeah, it's just a little treasure of London. So I encourage you to come to St. Dunstan in the East.